In this video, I will show you how you can set a timer on your iPad for it to automatically shut off. Now, if you want to set a timer on your iPad after which you want your iPad to automatically shut off, first of all, just make sure you set a passcode on the lock screen of your iPad. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the clock app, and under the clock app, just go to the timer section. And from here, just set a timer. Now, if you want to give your iPad to your child, and if you want your child to use it for a specific time, for example, if you want your child to use it for 2 hours, just set this timer to 2 hours. But for now, I will set it at 10 seconds. And after that, just tap on when timer ends. And from this list, just go to the bottom and select stop playing. Then tap on set. Now you can also give a name to this timer which you have created. Just tap on label and give a name to the timer. Once you give a name to your timer, then tap on done. And once you want to start your timer, just tap on start. Now just wait for this timer to end, and once this timer ends, your iPad will automatically shut off. As you can see, as the timer ended, our iPad has automatically gone to the lock screen. And this is how you can set a timer on your iPad for it to automatically shut off. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.